Looking for speed control and rugged fun? This video to the best RC cars explains the specs that matter before you buy: motor type, battery options, scale and ground clearance, drivetrains, and radio range. We've sifted through track rockets and rock crawlers to highlight proven models for beginners and hobbyists alike. Expect clear pros and cons, realistic top speeds, and upgrade paths, plus maintenance tips to keep your rig running. Start your shortlist here with confidence today. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website, consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. BLUEJAY RC Car. Our find for best budget RC car. If you want an affordable RC truck that still feels quick and rugged, the BLUEJAY RC Car delivers strong value. You get a 1-to-12 platform powered by an RC 380 motor capable of up to 33 kilometers per hour, so backyard straights and park paths feel exciting. The 2.4 GHz no-delay controller offers responsive input with up to 50 meters of range, giving you confident steering without interference. When you open it up, you'll appreciate the sturdy build. An acrylonitrile butadiene styrene chassis keeps weight low and helps absorb NOx, while the aluminum alloy main body boosts impact resistance, useful when you clip a curb or roll after a jump. Grippy tires and generous ground clearance help the truck track well on grass, gravel, and packed dirt. Night driving is part of the fun. Integrated LED headlights illuminate the path ahead, and chassis lighting improves visibility so you can maintain orientation after sunset. It's a helpful touch for newer drivers and adds flair for experienced ones. Battery life is a standout at this price. Two included 7.4-volt 1400 mAh lithium-ion packs provide up to 70 minutes total runtime, so you can keep running longer between charges. Swaps are quick, letting you extend your session without long pauses. If you want real speed, durable materials, and generous runtime without overspending, the BLUEJAY RC Car is a budget-friendly pick that keeps the fun going on a wide range of terrain. Number 4. Haiboxing All-Terrain RC Car. If you want a compact RC that's fast, tough, and easy to drive, the Haiboxing all-terrain truck hits the sweet spot. You get a high-performance brushed RC 380 motor and an efficient four-wheel drive drivetrain that pushes speeds up to 36 kilometers per hour, giving you lively acceleration on pavement and dirt alike. You'll appreciate the hobby-class hardware. Classic ball bearings reduce friction, a solid gear differential balances power to the wheels, and independent suspension helps the truck stay planted over bumps and ruts. The flexible PVC body absorbs NOx, while high-grip knobby tires dig in on short grass, gravel roads, and concrete. Control feels precise with the 2.4 GHz proportional radio system, offering smooth steering and throttle response within about 280 feet. Forward brake and reverse inputs register quickly once paired correctly with the transmitter. Splash waterproof electronics add confidence when the surface is damp or dusty. Runtime is convenient out of the box. Two 7.4-volt lithium polymer battery packs are included along with a USB charger. For proper charging, use a 5-volt 2-ampere power source. The package arrives 99% ready to run. Add batteries to the transmitter, charge a pack, and you're driving within minutes. If you want real speed, durable components, and dependable control in a portable 1:18 scale, this Haiboxing all-terrain RC truck delivers an affordable, grin-inducing drive for beginners and experienced bashers alike. Still searching for the perfect RC car? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Deerc 9309E All-Terrain Fast RC Car. If you want a compact RC truck that's genuinely tough and fast, the Deerc 9309E delivers the right mix of power and durability. You get an all-metal drivetrain, oil pressure shocks, metal differential, metal drive shaft, and a metal gear servo, so steering stays precise and parts hold up when you're blasting over sand, mud, gravel, or grass. You'll feel strong acceleration from the high-torque 380 brushed motor with speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour. Paired with four-wheel drive and an IPX4 splash-resistant electronic stability control, the truck keeps momentum through puddles and over uneven terrain without cutting your session short. Runtime is solid out of the box. Two 1500 mAh rechargeable batteries provide up to 40 minutes of combined driving, giving you longer play without constant recharging. Swap packs quickly and keep the trail runs going. Usability touches make a difference. The rear wheelie bar stabilizes hard launches and helps prevent unwanted flips when you punch the throttle, while working LED headlights extend your drive toward dusk and make the truck easier to track at distance. Setup is straightforward, and the 1:16 scale is easy to pack for spontaneous sessions at the park or job site. If you want metal-grade durability, real 40 km/h pace, and a planted feel on mixed terrain, the Deerc 9309E gives you an off-road experience that feels bigger than its size and rewards every pull of the trigger. Number 2, Go H16DR RC Car. If you want a stunt-ready RC that stays stable when you push it, the Go H16DR delivers confident control and easy fun. You get aluminum-capped, oil-filled shocks that absorb ruts and landings, so the chassis shakes less at speed and tracks straighter on rough ground. That extra stability helps you line up big jumps, hold wheelies longer, and stick backflips with fewer unpredictable bounces. You'll feel lively acceleration from the 390 motor paired with a 2S 7.4-volt 1050 mAh 25C lithium polymer. Top speed reaches 20+ miles per hour, giving you plenty of pace for parking lots, dirt paths, and skate park-style ramps. The included battery balances punch and run time, so you can rip multiple stunt passes between charges. Control is approachable for every driver. A 70% throttle limit switch tames output for beginners or younger drivers. Then you can unlock full power as skills improve. Steering and throttle inputs stay predictable, helping you build confidence before stepping up to bigger launches. Durable details round it out. The shock setup reduces wear from repeated impacts, while the chassis stays composed over uneven terrain for a more enjoyable drive session. If you want a compact truck that's quick, stable, and beginner-friendly, yet capable of real jumps, wheelies, and flips, the Go H16DR gives you stunt performance without the learning curve stress. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1, Go H16BM, our find for best RC car overall. If you want a fast, durable RC truck that thrives on rough terrain and big stunts, the Go H16BM is built to deliver. You get a full metal drivetrain, metal gears plus a metal differential that spreads power evenly to all 4 wheels for confident 4-wheel drive traction. A 5.5mm diameter axle, M4 nuts, and 16 ball bearings cut friction and power loss, so more of the motor's punch hits the ground. You'll appreciate the rugged chassis. The honeycomb-structured material is engineered to absorb impacts from hard landings, and front/rear zinc metal reinforcement plates add extra toughness. Ride quality stays composed at speed. Pre-mounted tires with sponge inserts improve contact and stability, while oil-filled shocks smooth out ruts and jumps so the truck tracks straight and stays planted. That stability pays off when you're lining up wheelies, jumps, and backflips. Performance is the headline. A brushless power system paired with a 2S 7.4-volt 1050 mAh 25C lithium polymer battery can push bursts to 27+ miles per hour, verified by GPS, giving you serious pace for a 1:16 platform. Run times are solid for practice sessions and stunt passes, and swaps are quick when you want more. If you want a compact RC with metal driveline components, crash-ready chassis reinforcements, and real brushless speed, the Go H16BM brings pro-level fun and reliability in a ready-to-rip package. That's a wrap! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which RC car you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.